The IPFT convened a crucial high-level meeting at the Agartala Press Club on Saturday. The meeting saw the presence of key party leaders including Minister Shukla Charan Noatia and IPFT President Prem Kumar Reang and Secretary Burma along with other functionaries. Following the meeting, IPFT President Prem Kumar Reang informed the press that one of the primary agendas was to discuss the deliberation held at the recent meeting convened by the State Election Commission. Mr. Reang clarified that the meeting was primarily attended by the office bearers of the party's divisional committees. The Commission had held discussions with leaders of all political parties regarding the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. The points discussed in the Election Commission's meeting with the political party leaders regarding SIR was thoroughly reviewed and discussed in today's party meeting, Mr. Reang stated.
Lam Leka or Kau Lam Marino, so the meeting can come away to me. I was in Zotachini, party related to our message on which I don't know that limited at the Borok Chungo, they are MCC Buya, CC Buya, any Zarin manager, limited at Sunkani, Boromans in the ring. Ready to Borok, connect the showers on a Kaline, they bought them on the Rasuti Policy and Agami Innocent, Chini Ras, meeting dog, but see Panka at night, even though some of your beginners are out to Machini. Rasuti Mokavilla Kana, our also was exactly as you were
Sir, Buscans have a they show the process civil society in Kasha or one women are one of the
actually about Tabu Jarawa, the civil society pocket John Boyd, Prasan, I was in Kasara dog, the Juno, the Alusona, the no lot to much hospitality, but no it's a column, Layano, but in one Kazak, or morally but physically to know, or my just hodge with the kind of Nicholas Hazak Greco, the Abbas and Tavo, I will take Alutona Mukayako, our Agamina Zora, Masana, our
General Bon support the Kaito.
But some born moral support actually the Prasani demand not taking it, the moral support kind. Out the hit to show civil society over. Obviously, some moral support kind. But you know, by physically support kind the person
In addition to the SIR matters, the IPFT leaders also held a detailed discussion on the current political situation prevailing in the state. In response to the reporter, Prem Kumar Reang stated that they support the 24-hour strike called by the Tripura civil society morally since the demand is for the benefits of Tripura people. However, they would not be supporting physically as they are not invited verbally or in written forms. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.